The most powerful law of attraction affirmation ever. I've been testing affirmations and I've used this affirmation to attract my dream house, my dream car, triple my income, and just feel so much happier than I've ever felt in my entire life. And I want to share this with you because it's something that I know will change your life. You'll see things come into your life like almost out of nowhere. You know, some people call those miracles. I call it law because when you put the right affirmation out, the right amazing things come back to you. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into the video. Have you ever heard somebody before blame the things that they're attracting into their life on bad luck? No. You mean at every single moment, you are a magnet bringing people, circumstances, situations, opportunities, quote unquote, good luck or bad luck into your life. At every moment, you are a magnet. It's just that most people are a crap magnet. But if you can train your subconscious mind to attract things into your life, you can change your whole life. I've been obsessed with affirmations as a way to reprogram the subconscious mind and change the brain. My favorite affirmation that I use all the time, all day, all the time is this. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. Right now, radiate pure love. Feel what it feels like in your body to radiate pure love. Feel it. Does it make you do this? What does it make you do? Does it make you confident? Does it make your spine get straighter because you feel more inspired? What does it do? Radiating pure love. And how does it feel to know that everything that you do prospers? I radiate love. Everything I do prospers today. Comment it down below. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. And if you have a crazy time, like a hard time accepting that, understand the only reason that it's hard to accept something like that is because the subconscious mind, which has 65,000 thoughts in a day, is programmed negatively. Psychologists tell us most people's subconscious is 70 to 75% negative and redundant. It's a broken record playing the same BS over and over. So when I come along and I say, hey, try this. I radiate pure love and everything I do prospers today. Your mind might not want to accept it. If you have trouble, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind. But today, my invitation and my challenge to you is this. Pull out an index card and write that affirmation. Carry it in your pocket with you. Make it your goal to say it over 100 times a day. 100 times a day. And then go over to my Instagram, take a photo of your index card. My Instagram is just my name, @JakeDucey. And take a photo of that. One person is gonna win a free signed copy of one of my books. So tag me in that. And use this affirmation every single day. Share it with someone. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. Just keep saying it right now over and over. Use this video right now as training grounds to say that. One time I had an affirmation video like this and I saw someone's comment. Oh, I'm clicking out of this right away because I already know what the affirmation is. And that person doesn't and they went on to say how, you know, I need to give them all this information and content. And what they don't understand is everything that comes into your life today is a product of the way that you're programmed. I could give you a 45-minute lecture on how thought energy is the most powerful energy in the entire world, and that it has the ability to manipulate and mold the world the way that you want it, but all that would do is intellectually stimulate you. The way to change something. It's the same thing as if you were trying to gain 10 pounds of muscle and all you wanted was philosophy and you wanted to hear ideas of how to gain muscle and somebody lecturing about it, instead of you getting in the gym and doing 500 push-ups and changing your diet and adding more calories or more protein to your diet and moving your body hard for 60 minutes a day, and then you see the physical effects. It's the same thing. So the way that change occurs is through repetition of an idea. So say this with me. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. Be realistic today. Expect miracles. Look for the ways that you prosper today. You will see financial opportunities come to you. Old challenges or problems fall away. New people come into your life. Say this, everything I do prospers today. Life is meant to be abundant and easy and joyful. Any ideas otherwise are subconscious programming, and if you repeat this affirmation, you can erase and eliminate those. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I'm wishing you a beautiful day. If you haven't yet, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Be sure that you check out the Second Mind Neuroprogrammer. It's a software we designed to literally rewire the brain for you, because habitual thought patterns wire the brain in certain ways. So the neurocircuitry of the brain, of your brain, might be set up to attract things you don't want. So we created a software that will literally rewire it for you. You can demo it for free. It's thesecondmind.com. Go out there today and say that hundreds of times. Post that on Instagram, tag me in it. I radiate pure love. Everything I do prospers today. Hit the subscribe, the bell notification. Make sure you like this video to support this channel. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you next time.